didn't check the mic. You think that's...
Where is the mic?
Is the mic
it's
fine?
on the camera.
Oh, that thing? The fuzzy?
That's fine.
Okay. I'm turning on the speaker. Chat! We're live.
Hi, I'm Connor. I heard someone say something.
Chat!
I'm Locke's best friend, yeah. Hi.
Chat. Hello. God damn. I need new glasses so bad. I actually cannot see the monitor.
That monitor?
I'm eating Chick-fil-A. I can see it, but I can't see, like, faces at all. It's bad, right?
That's bad.
Really?
Yeah, that's really bad.
Yeah, that is bad.
Chat, hello. That's not good. Yeah. But we're at Alveus, as you can see. This is my uncle. He has been doing some work out here, and he likes to burn things. Do you care about moths?
Oh, do I? Oh, I mean as much as any other animal. Not as much as butterflies, though.
Moths?
Sure.
Connor's here in Texas. Big peepo pogs for Connor. We went to Walmart today. He saw the property. He went to a bookstore. We went to Panda Express.
It's been nice.
And now we're here.
Life is
And
really
Annie's
not great,
here.
and I don't really give a fuck. I'm
Alan's
gonna
on
go, wait,
the-
hold up, okay, I just said some words, got paid.
And he flamed.
Do it again,
And then
okay,
I
yeah,
asked
you
him
know
to
I'm
come
doing it with
and
some
he
friends,
went.
okay, and I don't know.
So,
Such a cozy street.
thank you. Cozy, does cozy equal boring, chat? Are we boring already? Yes.
What's the
Cat
difference between a...
Apple Cat Run.
Oh,
Sorry.
my bad. This is a good one.
Run? What's Apple Cat Run?
Sometimes she
It's-
just randomly says emotes out loud, like really loud.
It's an apple with a cat
No, hold
face
on,
on
hold
it.
on.
And it's running.
Okay.
So we're gonna put up a sheet and a light. Thank you. We're gonna put out, this looks like the start of The Walking Dead. How funny is this frame? I don't know why I think this is so funny, but the fact that it's just like 4 chairs symmetrically split in a screen I think is so funny. It's like a podcast. Let's turn this into an Aiden Ross chat. No.
What's that?
Don't do that. What's Aiden Ross?
Yeah.
It's a person. I don't know. Okay, you want a cameraman?
Yeah.
Should we go meet the...
I'm Connor from American Eagle Foundation, by the way.
Yeah,
I don't
you
work
guys
there
know.
anymore. Just side note.